Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, and here we have to find sounds and vibration. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, this is the first option, or for notifications. So let me pick, for example, the phone ringtone, and let me choose the media storage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can add a ringtone, simply tap on it, and if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose it. But let me get back to the defaults. And now, in order to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it. And let me turn off the Do Not Disturb mode because we will not hear anything, okay? And as you can hear, this is the way to check how it sounds. Simply tap on it and listen. And if you are ready to choose something, simply tap on it, for example for the dotted one, and click on OK. And it immediately changes, and from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. The same situation will be for notification sound. Simply tap on it, choose the media storage for example, and here we've got the list of available ones. The same situation, so let's tap and listen how it sounds. And if you are ready to choose, click on OK. And this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your ARCHOS Access 57. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.